What if my walls are taller than the length of a panel? It is rare that a bathroom will be taller than the panel length, but in certain circumstances it can be so. If this is the case, there is a finishing trim that is specifically designed to bridge the junction between the ends of panels. Known as a joining trim, or alternatively an H trim due to the shape of its profile, it is rebated along both edges in order to accept the ends of boards on either side of it. As you install the panels from floor upwards, slip the trim on top of the run of boards. Once the run is complete, you can cut panels to fit the remaining height on the wall. As you install these shortened boards, they will fit easily and snugly into the other rebate of the trim, as well as into its neighbouring board. If you wish to hide a join such as this, you can install the panels with a shorter length at the bottom of the wall. With the use of a splashback or any extruded PVC panel, you may have the chance to create a skirting board look that will cover where the panels meet.